but can she do a Yorkshire accent? I like to think that I can do a Yorkshire accent. So if you got a Yorkshire accent and you'd like to share it with me, I'd love it if you could go to accentbank.com and record your accent for me. So basically what you do is you go to the website and there's like a script that you download. It takes 3 minutes of your time to record it, and you don't have to do it like with video. You can just turn on your video camera and put your video on the table, because all I want really is to hear your voice so that I can practice and learn how to do the accent, because even though there's like a Yorkshire accent, because like my job is to teach actors how to do different accents, there's loads of different Yorkshire accents. And so some people be like, well, that's not my Yorkshire accent. It's like with the Scottish accent. I tend to teach a Gladstone accent, which is right in between Glasgow and Edinburgh, because there's so many different Scots accents. Because I mainly work with people on TV, I just do like, the accents that the directors want me to do. I mean, obviously, if there's an actor that has to come from a specific place, like, I go do the research. But I'd love it if you could share your accent with me. That would be great.